Are you making these common English mistakes? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 50 common errors and how to fix them fast. Improve your grammar, fluency, and confidence in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Number 1. Wrong. She go to school every day. Right. She goes to school every day. Verb must agree with the subject. Number 2. Wrong. He don't like coffee. Right. He doesn't like coffee. Use doesn't with he, she, and it. Number 3. Wrong. I am having a cat. Right. I have a cat. Have for possession is a state, not an action. Number 4. Wrong. She was go to the market. Right. She was going to the market. Past continuous requires was going. Number 5. Wrong. I didn't went to the party. Right. I didn't go to the party. Use the base form of the verb after did. Number 6. Wrong. He told to me the truth. Right. He told me the truth. No to after told when followed by an object. Number 7. Wrong. She is more taller than him. Right. She is taller than him. No need for more with comparative adjectives like taller. Number 8. Wrong. We enjoyed at the party. Right. We enjoyed the party. No at after enjoyed. Number 9. Wrong. He is married with her. Right. He is married to her. Use married to, not married with. Number 10. Wrong. She doesn't knows the answer. Right. She doesn't know the answer. Use base form after doesn't. If you like the content and the videos on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 11. Wrong. I am good in English. Right. I am good at English. Use good at for skills. Number 12. Wrong. She is angry on me. Right. She is angry with me. Use angry with, not angry on. Number 13. Wrong. He depends from his parents. Right. He depends on his parents. Use depends on, not depends from. Number 14. Wrong. I am interested for science. Right. I am interested in science. Use interested in, not interested for. Number 15. Wrong. The book consists in 3 chapters. Right. The book consists of 3 chapters. Use consists of, not consists in. Number 16. Wrong. She is afraid from dogs. Right. She is afraid of dogs. Use afraid of, not afraid from. Number 17. Wrong. He apologized about his mistake. Right. He apologized for his mistake. Use apologized for, not apologized about. Number 18. Wrong. We are waiting since 2 hours. Right. We have been waiting for 2 hours. Use for with durations. Number 19. Wrong. I agree to you. Right. I agree with you. Use agree with a person. Number 20. Wrong. She is married with a doctor. Right. She is married to a doctor. Use married to, not married with. Number 21. Wrong. Always I wake up early. Right. I always wake up early. Place adverbs of frequency before the main verb. Number 22. Wrong. She speaks fluently English. Right. She speaks English fluently. Put the adverb after the object. Number 23. Wrong. He every day goes to the gym. Right. He goes to the gym every day. Put time expressions at the end. Number 24. Wrong. She only not likes coffee. Right. She doesn't like only coffee. Wrong placement of only. Number 25. Wrong. He eats quickly his lunch. Right. He quickly eats his lunch. Adverbs usually go before the main verb. Number 26. Wrong. I saw yesterday a movie. Right. I saw a movie yesterday. Time expressions usually go at the end. Number 27. Wrong. She gave to me a book. Right. She gave me a book. No to needed before the indirect object. Number 28. Wrong. He drives every morning his car to work. Right. He drives his car to work every morning. Time expressions usually go at the end. Number 29. Wrong. I at home was yesterday. Right. I was at home yesterday. Correct word order for subject, verb, and place. Number 30. Wrong. She never has been to Paris. Right. She has never been to Paris. Adverbs usually go after auxiliary verbs. Number 31. Wrong. She has a brown hairs. Right. She has brown hair. Uncountable nouns don't need a. Number 32. Wrong. He bought an apple and orange. Right. He bought an apple and an orange. Each noun needs its own article if singular. Number 33. Wrong. She is the best teacher of all teachers. Right. She is the best teacher. Superlatives don't need additional comparisons. Number 34. Wrong. He is an engineer. Right. He is an engineer. Use an before vowel sounds. Number 35. Wrong. I read an interesting book about history. Right. I read a book about history. Only use an when the next word starts with a vowel sound. Number 36. Wrong. The people is happy. Right. The people are happy. People is plural. Number 37. Wrong. She has a good knowledge. Right. She has good knowledge. Uncountable nouns don't use a. Number 38. Wrong. The Mount Everest is very high. Right. Mount Everest is very high. No article for proper names of mountains. Number 39. Wrong. The life is beautiful. Right. Life is beautiful. No article before abstract nouns. Number 40. Wrong. I went to the home. Right. I went home. No the before home when used as a destination. Number 41. Wrong. I am feeling myself happy. Right. I am feeling happy. No reflexive pronoun needed here. Number 42. Wrong. Let's discuss about the issue. Right. Let's discuss the issue. No about after discuss. Number 43. Wrong. She told that she is tired. Right. She said that she is tired. Use said before that. Number 44. Wrong. He is very much tired. Right. He is very tired. No much after very. Number 45. Wrong. I am going to home now. Right. I am going home now. No to before home. Number 46. Wrong. He explained me the problem. Right. He explained the problem to me. Use to after explained. Number 47. Wrong. I prefer tea than coffee. Right. I prefer tea to coffee. Use to with prefer. Number 48. Wrong. He is taller from me. Right. He is taller than me. Use than for comparisons. Number 49. Wrong. She can to swim. Right. She can swim. No to after can. And the last one, number 50. Wrong. He didn't know the answer. Right. He didn't know the answer. Use base verb after didn't.